Alright, so in this country, if you don't know where I'm at, I'm in Belarus. And in Belarus, they celebrate Christmas on January 7th. I know that this is like super delayed footage, but I'll be damned if I let any footage go to waste. So I'm not really one to celebrate holidays. I can't even remember the last time I celebrated my birthday. I just don't really celebrate holidays. When you're at work and your manager asks you who is willing to work on Christmas, I was always the first person to be like, hell yeah. Holidays in general is not something that I ever participate in. Mostly because, well, first of all, my childhood, we practiced Hanukkah. The holidays are mostly something you celebrate with family, and I just never really had a solid one. It also could be like financial reasons and mostly apathy. Somehow I got out of celebrating New Year's Eve with my in-laws, but Christmas was non-negotiable. I'm an empath and I'm incredibly antisocial and I have severe social anxiety. So just participating in social gatherings is like, I'd rather not. If I don't participate in my in-laws' Christmas, they would consider me Antichrist. I mean, they already think that I'm Antichrist, mostly because they're Christian Orthodox, so their traditions are very different than my personal beliefs. For example, you're not allowed to clean your house on Sunday. If I turn on a vacuum cleaner, I am Antichrist. Because their belief is on Sunday is a day of rest. And you rest, you don't clean. But for me, like, I'm used to Sunday being the day before you start your week. So you want to get your house in order. That's my theory, but I'm Antichrist for that. We don't want to give them any more reasons to think that we are Antichrist. So we decided to participate in their Christmas. The way I was raised is you don't go to somebody's house empty-handed. Like, you have to show up with something, like a dish, a gift, flowers, some chocolate, something. You have to show up with something. So I was like, I'll just make something quick that I make often, that I know how to make. So I just made some challah bread and some cinnamon buns. I'm not giving you eye contact because I'm trying to think what to say. A brief overall summary. You know, what I baked is the reason why I'm fat. I can't stop baking because it's so much fun. Like, it's fun. I like baking a lot. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm not the best vlogger. Like, I'm not really that good at it, so most of what happened never was recorded. But I just wanted to show you because I painted something. That's my motive for this video, is I just showcasing a painting. That's why I'm uploading this. Okay, bye. Oh wait, don't leave. I'm gonna play the footage now. Oh yes, this video also is me giving you guys updates. I'll share with you guys my weight loss journey updates somewhere within the video. What is this?
What's that?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
And sugar.
Sugar.
And butter.
Butter.
It's gonna be yummy. You gonna eat it?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I want to try this.
It's not cooked. I have to cook it first. So this is an imitation mongoose brush in a size 0. First thing I'm going to work on is the eyes.
А что ты будешь, Юрка, делать? Ну, не.
Bubba's gonna open it.
Ну давай, давай.
Okay, so you have to translate. So this is a salt and sugar jar because you
Это
already broke
для
your other
соли
one.
и для соли и сахара.
Спасибо,
Потому
у
что
нас
он поломал,
разбитая.
да.
Спасибо, Рэйч, спасибо.
And this is
Спасибо.
like a fragrance because she says she always likes the
Ага.
scents.
Спасибо,
И
спасибо.
самый главный подарок. Самый главный подарок.
Что еще, Юрочка? Ты
Это, да, это она
It's tell
нарисовала.
her it's mokrin.
Еще мокрый, не трогай пока. Но это Юрку она нарисовала себе в подарок.
что?
Правда.
Мое золотое, мое маленькое.
Мама, еще не
Я
мокровато.
вижу, умничка моя. Спасибо,
Пожалуйста.
Рэйчел. Диска, прими.
Она,
Спасибо, Рэйчел, спасибо большое,
она с
спасибо.
Юрком снять.
Спасибо, моя дорогая.
Неси эту
Спасибо.
Иди сюда,
Спасибо,
неси.
Юрочка, неси эту папку.
Я тебе
Неси эту папку.
Спасибо. Рэйчел, мокрые волосы.
Да,
Мокрые.
да. Извини.
Не, что не холодно? Не холодно
Не.
тебе? Не? Спасибо большое. О, Юрку люблю, баба любит.
Я знаю.
Любит Юрка.
Я знаю.
Это не давай.
Рошель.
Yes.
Да, мама, не давай.
So we're gonna have dinner at Bubba's house. Yuri, come say hi. Come say hi. So we gave Bubba her gifts. You guys can't really see me. It's too dark. I'm still on mom.
Oh, smells sweet.
Мама, ты что? Я ей прямо сейчас скажу, Mom's taking pictures of your pastry.
Tell her it's the same as last time, just the icing's
Mushroom
different.
with the meat and
Oh, yeah?
cheese on top.
It's fancy.
This salad, man, you have to try that.
That's why I'm not on a diet today.
Yeah, I told her
I'm
that
just
she
kidding.
is like this.
Yes. Yummy.
Peace.
Garlic paste, you ready to eat?
No.
No. You didn't eat anything all day, Yuri. Want some meat?
Mom, I'm boiling some sausages, but
No.
Yuri, you should eat something.
Where's Roussel?
gosh,
He went home. Bush is at home.
так.
Mom told me she loves me. She said, Yati, Yati. And what did I supposed to say back? I just said Yati, Yati.
Same, but just add like
Emphasis.
two, like, я тебя тоже люблю.
Я тебя тоже люблю.
I love you too.
Yes. Тебя
And
тоже
let's
люблю.
go back.
Так,
Water.
ну что, давайте под холодненькую по чуть-чуть.
Ну давай, папа.
Рэйчел,
Да.
Да, и я тоже.
Мама, вино, я тебе вино дай.
Сейчас горячее будем
Юрка,
подавать.
не-не-не-не-не-не.
Вода.
So the gifts that we got Bubba for Christmas, we just got her like a few like things that we noticed that she said she really liked, as well as things that my son broke in her kitchen. She always gives us like food to bring home in containers and we never give them back. So we got her a set of Tupperware containers, just like some random things in my kitchen that she said that she liked. And so I just got her own version of it. And like Yuri broke her sugar and salt like ceramic jar set, so I got her a new one of those. And then I just painted a picture of Yuri for her. And I showed up at her house. That counts as a gift. I mean, like I participated and I ate whatever she made. I wasn't like I'm keto or carnivore today. I just ate whatever she made. So before the holidays, I weighed like 208 pounds. And after the holidays, I weighed 230 pounds. But I really enjoyed myself, so it was worth it. Putting on that much weight was like worth it to me because I really had a good time and I ate some delicious food. Mostly my cinnamon buns. That was the best part. But you know, and I drank. I'm sorry, I'm just need to figure out like a brief, how can I quickly say what I need to say? Okay, so before the holidays, I weighed 208 pounds. After the holidays, I weighed 230 pounds. But that's okay because I had a good time and I ate some delicious food and it hit the spot. But the problem was, is I didn't just leave it at that. I didn't just like, oh, Christmas, eat whatever you want. It extended on for additional 3 days after then because, you know, once you pop the fun, don't stop. And the carb train just kept on going and I just kept eating all the carbs. And it was so good. So, but I decided, you know, once the scale hit 230, I was just like, bro, let's not do this to ourselves. Let's not go down this route. So I decided, you know, I'm going to do carnivore. Because I'm like, carnivore is very satisfying because the food is delicious and it's very satiating and you lose weight super fast. So it works. Yeah, so I did carnivore. I'm on like day 5 now of carnivore and I'm already back down to 221 this morning. Like 221.6 is what it said. That pretty much just tells me that that weight was mostly just water weight, which is fine. Yeah, so I'm just going to stick to carnivore for now. And I have some supplements that I'm taking with it so I don't have heart palpitations as quickly as I did last time. I did carnivore last time for like a little bit over 3 months. And I lost so much weight with that. And I really enjoyed it. The only reason why I stopped doing carnivore was because I wasn't taking enough supplements. And I didn't feel that well. But I'm going to give it a go again. I'm trying carnivore out. I feel really good. I enjoy carnivore a lot. So yeah, I'm just eating animal products. And so is he. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I have to say. Okay, so until next time. Can you stop licking me and biting me? I think he's hungry. He needs to go eat something.